Now we have already pulled this one. It's pulled. If we need more one, we can increase the offset LG to some other. If we don't need, we can leave it as it is. But if you see this one in mobile form, it's very responsive. See, it's completely responsive. If you click this one, it will scroll down, login, and join. If you click again, it's interesting. So the next one will be just copy and paste it from the div group, which is this one. Copy, paste it here. Then we will change this one to password. Now click username. Every username inside here will be changed to password. Password at one time. Password. It's interesting. Yeah. Save, and instead of the username, we can use class alloc. No, it's interesting, alloc. Now come to refresh. Oh, it's good. Everything is changed. Next to this one, we need some button. Some button here. Some button for button. Let me check. You see, the button will be inside the card footer. So we need to use see this one. I wanted to use the key more than the alloc. Where is the icon? This one. Key. Yeah, save. Refresh. I don't want to use the alloc. I wanted to use a key because this puzzle. Yeah, it's cool. Here, inside the footer, let me make something change over here. Let's cut this one to make more form card to be like cool. Bring outside of the card, and let's take this one also. Let me make more indentation. Beautiful. From card, starting from here to here, paste the form. So this will be moved one step to front. Yes. Next to this one, let me click on card body. The end of card body is here. So next to that one, we'll create class card footer. In here, we will use some button. Let's check what the button looks like. It has some icon inside the button. So how do use this one? I will use button. Type will be submit. Name will be login. Class will be button primary. If you don't want primary, success, danger, you can put anything. In here, I have an icon, a lock. Yeah. In here, I have login. Save. Come here, refresh. See, it's interesting. It's cool. So next to this one will be the link for forget account. Don't register, create one. So we need to create this line. Just follow me. Let me use now for the, don't forget, let's say level. Inside the level, let me write for member, because it's going to help for forget. I don't have any link for now.